Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today we are back in the dining room. Today is Monday, October 28th, and it is on to mission number 6 of our Cruising Through the Holidays missions from the Fly Lady. And you can hear I'm getting over a little bit of a cold, but I'm feeling much better, just kind of hanging on to the last little bits of it, but I'm sure in a couple days I'll be back to normal. So taking a look at our mission for today from the Fly Lady. So as you know, Mondays in her system are the day that you do your weekly home blessing hour. So as part of mine, I have washed the sheets off both my bed and my daughter's bed, and those are both dry. So my next step is to put those back on and get our bed all made up, get my daughter's bed all made up. Trash was done yesterday. That's one of the other items on the weekly home blessing list. So our trash gets picked up Monday morning. So yesterday I went through the house, made sure everything was gathered up, and that's all been taken to the road. So that'll get picked up this morning or some point later today. And then one of the other items on the list is to do some dusting. So I use Diane and Denmark's system where I just dust in the zone. And I'm going to be really honest with you and say, and this is one of the things I love about the Fly Lady system, I haven't really dusted in much of my house for quite some time now. So if you've been following along, you know we have a family business, and September and October are the busiest times for our family business. So now that it's the end of October, things are kind of winding down, and I'm digging myself out of a few holes as far as, some of the housework, some of the desk work kind of things. But that's okay. That's what I love about her system is she just says jump in where we are. So since today is Monday, I'm jumping in with the weekly home blessing hour, and we're in zone 5 today, which is the living room on my zone system. If you follow the Fly Lady, she has a zone for each week that you work in. So as I mentioned, Diane in Denmark, what she does is she just dusts in the zone. So since this week is the living room, I did some good dusting in the living room, and it was needed, but that's fine. That's why the system works great, because when you miss, it's not a big deal, and you know that the next month you'll come back around to that zone. So I got all the baseboards and even the corners and cobwebs and stuff dusted. There's one window in that room, and I dusted that really well. And then I also, let me back up. So weekly home blessing hour, sheets, trash, dusting. One of the other things on her list is washing or cleaning the windows or glass surfaces. So in the living room, we only have one window, so I cleaned that on the inside. The outside could use a good cleaning, but I'm not doing that today. The other thing is we have a full bathroom off of that room. So I went ahead and cleaned the mirror there. And this is my little bit of encouragement for you. And for myself, it's always a good reminder. So as I mentioned, I'm getting over a cold. I don't have my energy back 100%. So this morning I got back into routines, walked my daughter to school, and then continued on with my walk through our hilly little town. It's only about a mile that I do, a little over a mile, but it's a lot of hills, so that was good. Felt good to get back to that routine. And then when I got back home, I thought, okay, I feel good, but I also feel like I don't have all of my energy back. So I'm trying to keep in mind today to do a little and do some, but don't get carried away and don't push myself too far, because I know that I don't have all of my energy back. So I was just hanging up my coat in the living room and putting back my gloves and all that from my walk, and I thought, well, I could just quickly do a 5-minute clean of the window in here, and that way I could get that part of the weekly home blessing done and feel like I've gotten a start and I've done something. So I went ahead and cleaned that window, and then I thought, well, I've got my glass cleaning spray and my rag out. I might as well clean the mirror in the bathroom. So I did that. Well, then, of course, the momentum kicked in, and I thought, well, I might as well clean the sink and the toilet and the bathtub that's in there. So I ended up doing a really good swish and swipe of that bathroom, plus cleaning the tub, which I hadn't done in a while. And it took me maybe 15 minutes to do all of that, but I felt much more energized. I felt like I had gotten some motivation and some momentum going to keep going. So then I had my laundry already going in the wash before I left for school, with my daughter. I put the sheets in, so when I got back and after I did that swish and swipe, then I could go put that load in the dryer, and again, just felt like that momentum was building. So just some encouragement to you if you're in a day, in a phase, whatever it might be, where you don't have the energy, you don't have the time, you don't feel like it, all those things that happen to us, that, sometimes just finding one tiny little task that you can do might be that little trigger that you need to then keep going and get a few more things done. And on the flip side, as I was cleaning that bathroom, I thought, I could do a really deep clean and go back behind things and sweep and mop and all of that. And while that does need to be done, I know that my energy is not going to hold out as long today. So I stopped myself from going too far and working too much on just one thing, and left it at that it was at least much cleaner than it has been for a while, and then I moved on to the next thing. So that's the other part of the Fly Lady system that I really like, is keeping a balance where, if you're like me, I can really get into something, a project or a task, but then overdo it and keep working on it, and then I run myself out of energy to do anything else. And then the whole day's gone, and I'm, aggravated at myself because I didn't get to some of the other important things. So just keeping a balance is what we're always looking for. All right, on with what we came here for, which is our cruising through the holidays mission from the Fly Lady. We're on to week 2 and mission number 6, which is planning the decorations. So here's your chance to catch up. Just jump in where we are. If you haven't printed your holiday control journal and you still want to, then go get that done. If you don't feel like it's going to happen and you don't want to print that holiday control journal, that's okay. Somewhere on your phone, in your planner, on your desk, on a Post-it note, somewhere today, let's make a list of some of the decorating that we want to do for the holidays. So for me, that list includes just some basic things like putting the tree up, which you think, of course I'm going to put the tree up. I don't necessarily need that on a list, but it's just a reminder to check. Like I found last week, I had a note that I need to get new lights for the tree. So it helps you think about some of that kind of thing when you're looking ahead and planning a little bit. So I'll have the tree that gets put up. I have, I think, 3 or 4 tubs of all my decorations. So when I pull those out, it's pretty self-explanatory. I have the same kinds of things that always go in each room. A second item that I forget about sometimes are the little candelabras that go in the windowsills. So here in the dining room, in the hearth room or front room of our house, parlor, whatever you want to call it, I put those up there, and they need recyclable batteries. So that's what we use. They need a battery, and we use the recyclable batteries. So that's another thing that when I'm making that list, it reminds me to make sure I have enough batteries on hand, because I think each one takes 2. So I end up needing about a dozen batteries. So that'll go on my list as well. And then some years I've talked about maybe doing a little bit more, like putting some garland up around like that door there, or I don't know. So, it's just a chance to kind of think about those things. Actually, what I was thinking the other day too is I have outdoor lights. I haven't put them up for a year or 2 because I waited too long. So I would like to put that on my list in my bullet journal, is if there's some warm day this week and I have a little time since our schedule's slowing down, I'd like to try and get the outdoor lights up at least around the front porch, because it just makes me feel more festive, and I like it when it's there, but I don't like doing it in the cold. So now's the time. Even if it's 50 or 60 degrees out, that's much more enjoyable than doing it in the freezing cold. So take your 5 minutes, grab your cup of, had to make a cup of tea today, and let's just get that figured out. Figure out your decorations, make some notes, add some things to your errand list or your shopping list, and go about your day. So thanks for joining me and listening to my ranting. I hope you have a great one, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.